Hey guys, welcome to SMA-Trendz. Today, we're going to be making a potato mixture. Super delicious, tasty, and the perfect evening snack. So let's get started. First, we have to show a little clip. But I just can't wait. It is super delicious. So you're gonna peel one big potato. Totally peel off all the skin. You don't want any of the skin in your delicious snack, do you? So you're gonna grate it and turn it into long stripes. Now they don't have to be that long like noodles, but at least long enough. So now you're gonna wash them with water 2 to 3 times. Then you're gonna mix it around a bit to make sure all that starch is gone. Now you can see that it looks clearer and cleaner. So you're gonna take it all and lay it out on some napkins or a cloth and just let it dry for a few minutes. So you're gonna cover it up with another one just so that both sides get fully dry. Then you have your dried potatoes. Now we're gonna add cinnamon, clove, pepper, jeera, and fennel into a pan. And we're gonna roast them. So you're gonna dry roast them all. So just put them around, and now we're gonna make some spices into coarse powder. So you just have to grind it and then done. Now we're gonna fry 2 teaspoons of peanuts and oil. So these all have to be nicely fried for our snack to work. So there are the peanuts. Next, we're gonna fry 2 teaspoons of roasted split chickpeas. So you're gonna fry them around and then done. Now, 2 teaspoons of cashews the same way. Just mix it around in there. Mixing around. Now we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of raisins and mix those around as well. Mixing. And then finally, last but not least, we're gonna add a few curry leaves. So we have to do these as well. So make sure these are all nicely fried as well. Now we're gonna add our dried potato into the oil. So add them in and let it fry for a few minutes. So it's all bubbly now, but soon you'll be able to see a few of the potato strips. Like when it looks like French fries. So now you're going to remove it when it turns golden brown. When you're able to see all of them, you'll know it's ready. Now you're going to add 2 cups of thick poha into the oil. Fry those as well, the exact same way. So now they're ready. Now we just have to remove them. This is part of our snack too. So take these out as well. Now we're gonna mix all of our ingredients together. So we're gonna add the poha. Next you're gonna add the potato. Then you're gonna add the peanuts. Then the putnalu. Then the cashew and raisins. Next, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, a bit of salt, and then 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and ½ teaspoon of dry mango powder. And you're also going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar powder. Now, we're going to mix it all together. So we're gonna mix it around and combine them all. So make sure they're delicious. Next, you're gonna add the 2 teaspoons of prepared spices, the ones we made. Finally, you're gonna add a few curry leaves and mix it again. And there it is, it's ready. Your delicious homemade mixture. Super duper yummy and healthy too, I guess. It is delicious and crunchy. So, enjoy this delicious snack, and I hope you liked our video. So make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.